What it do is you do $2 that old school food. I got some footage from when it was cool up here in Georgia, so I'm about to drop it. Let y'all check it out. We was out there at the outdoor range, busting a 12 gauge. I had Venom with me. I had Blocker with me. A couple other toys. So, all right. So y'all go down and check it out, man. Holla at your dude, $2. Let me know what you think. Drop me some comments in there. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. You do $2.
Jacket ready? Cap in.
Next time I see you, but these last